First formula is the sum. It is very easy, but there are certain things you should learn to be a pro in Excel compared to your colleagues. The sum is basically a formula where you can get a total by simply writing sum formula, and this example is for the sales team and their quarter result, whatever sales they have done for the all 4 quarters. So what I am writing here sum. Once you enter it, the formula will tell you have to mention certain number, either writing these comma 250, or if you have details mentioned in the cells, you can directly select by dragging your cursor or mousepad, close the bracket, enter. You will get the result of total for selected range. Make sure and all of these things are in the journal. So I'm changing this 362 from journal to text by pressing some text column shortcut. You can see the total got changed from 1300 to some 980. So while dealing with a large data, you need to make sure your data is in journal format. Example, if you're paying salary and you're just doing total like this is a common error, journal error. So I'm just doing undo right now. So you can drag this formula to here by pressing right click, paste special, and the formula. It will just copy the formula, not the format, because my format is different. And also here you can write it like sum and select your range. Once you enter this, you can do this. So what is the crack for this video? There's a shortcut for the auto sum. The shortcut is alt equal to So what is the shortcut? When you have a data like this, where there's no gap in between, you can just press in your keyboard alt equal to, the formula will directly get the total for the selected range. Make sure there's no blank in between. And if you have a data like this, you can just select like this and press alt equal to. Within a flash of second, your all rows and columns will get calculated for the sum formula by pressing simple shortcut alt equal to. That is our formula number 1.